Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to play GTA 5 PC with controller. Alright, let's begin. If you have a PlayStation or Xbox controller and want to play GTA 5 on PC, you can use Steam's controller support. Start by opening Steam and clicking the Steam menu at the top left. Then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, navigate to the Controller tab. Here, enable controller support for your device. For Xbox controllers, turn on Xbox configuration support. For PlayStation controllers, enable PlayStation configuration support. This allows your controller to work properly with Steam games. If you purchased GTA 5 through the Epic Games launcher, you need to add Epic Games to your Steam library. Click on Games at the top of Steam, then select Add a non-Steam game to my library. Find and select the Epic Games launcher, then click Add Selected Programs. Now, launch the Epic Games launcher through Steam and start GTA 5. So that's basically how you can play GTA 5 PC with controller. That's it for this video. Thanks.